Good morning, students. Today we shall be learning about Earth's gravitational acceleration. The Earth exerts gravitational force on objects near it. So we have studied about the Earth's gravitational force, and this gravitational force of the Earth attracts all objects towards itself in the vertically downward direction, and that too towards the center of the Earth, where the mass of the Earth is concentrated. So gravitational force of the Earth is the force due to which all objects are attracted towards the center of the Earth in vertically downward direction. According to Newton's second law of motion, a force acting on a body results in its acceleration. Now, if there is a force which is acting on any object, it brings about change in its velocity. And when the velocity of the object is changing, we say that the object is having acceleration. The definition of acceleration says rate of change of velocity with respect to time is called as acceleration. So, if there is a force which is acting on any body or object, it brings about change in its velocity, and hence we can say that the object or the body is having accelerated motion, or it is having acceleration. So this is what we had studied in Newton's second law of motion, that if there is a force acting on an object, it brings about acceleration. Thus, the gravitational force due to the earth on a body results in its acceleration. This is called acceleration due to gravity and is denoted by the letter G. Now, gravitational force is also a force which is acting on any body. So if this force is acting on any body, it will also bring about acceleration of the body. But because this acceleration is on account of the Earth's gravitational force, it will be called as acceleration due to gravity. And it is going to be denoted by the letter G. So I hope you have got what is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration we have studied. It is the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. And whenever a force acts on any object, it brings about change in its velocity. Hence, the body is said to be having acceleration. Here, which force we are having? We are having gravitational force which is acting on the body. So it will also bring about acceleration. But this acceleration would be on account of the gravitational force of the earth, and it will be called as acceleration due to gravity. As the gravitational force on any object due to the earth is directed towards the center of the earth, the direction of acceleration due to gravity is also directed towards the center of the earth, that is vertically downwards. So we just now discussed that the gravitational force is the force due to which the earth attracts every object in the vertically downward direction towards the center of the earth. So the acceleration due to gravity will also be directed towards the center of the earth in the vertically downward direction. Now let us try to understand the same thing with the help of an example. Take a ball and throw it in the vertically upward direction. When the ball is thrown in the vertically upward direction, you are doing work against the gravitational force. Hence, the velocity of the object will constantly go on decreasing, or we can say that it undergoes retardation. The velocity constantly goes on decreasing, or it has got retarded motion, and at a particular height, the velocity will become zero. Once the velocity of the object becomes zero, now it will start moving in the vertically downward direction. Now the object will have accelerated motion, or its velocity will constantly go on increasing because now it is doing work in the direction of the gravitational force, that is vertically downward direction. So the velocity of the object at every point will go on increasing when it is moving vertically downwards, and when it touches the ground, its velocity will be maximum. So where is the object getting this acceleration from? It is getting acceleration from the gravitational force of the earth, which is attracting it in the vertically downward direction. So this acceleration which the object is having is on account of the gravitational force, and hence it is called as acceleration due to gravity. Here one diagram has been given to you. The boy is standing at the top of a hill, and he has dropped a stone from the height. Here we can see that the time is 0, velocity is also 0, initial velocity is 0. And as the stone starts moving in the vertically downward direction, you can find that its velocity is constantly going on increasing, and when the object touches the ground, its velocity is maximum. So the velocity is increasing, or the object is having acceleration, because it is doing work in the direction of the gravitational force, that is in the vertically downward direction. And hence this acceleration is called as acceleration due to gravity, and it is indicated by the small letter g. Let us now study what is the value of g in the next slide.